Hi guys, as you read in the title, you might see that I said I painted my own alarm clock. You might be asking, how will I do that? But it's actually really easy. I will teach you, but obviously not in real life. So first, you want to open App Store or Google Play or like the thing you have to download things. Like by things I mean games. Okay, then you want to search color by number. And here you should download it, but for me, I have to update it, so I'm going to be right back. Well, if you already have it, you could go open it. Okay, guys, so I'm already in my account, and I will go in my account and get my painting. Okay, so I will start painting. Okay guys, so I painted my alarm clock, but before we leave, I'm gonna show you how my alarm clock actually looks like, but like not digital, like real life. Okay guys, so here is how my alarm clock actually looks like in real life. It's actually pretty cool, like, cause like here, it glows in the dark. Currently in my time zone is 8 p.m. But right now I usually prepare my videos the day before, so yeah, it's Saturday. Okay. Now here, this is a brightness to like, do like that, like make the time thing brighter, and wait, where was it again? Wait, let me go check, guys. Yeah, and here is like how to turn on the alarm. Well, you could do many things, but those are the only like things I mostly do. Okay, so that was my alarm clock in real life, guys. Bye.